In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic payment reminders in QuickBooks Online. If you want to save time following up on unpaid invoices and make your collections process a lot more consistent, automatic reminders can really help. Instead of manually emailing customers one by one, QuickBooks Online can send reminder emails for you based on the schedule you choose. Let's walk through the setup together. To begin, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find many of your account-wide settings and customization options. From the menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This will open a settings panel where you can control different areas of your QuickBooks Online account. On the left-hand side, click Sales. The Sales tab is where QuickBooks manages invoice-related preferences, customer-facing options, and reminder settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Reminder section. When you see it, click Edit. This is where you can control whether invoice reminders are turned on and how they behave. Now, enable the option for automatic invoice reminders. Turning this on allows QuickBooks Online to send payment reminder emails automatically for invoices that qualify under your settings. This can be especially useful if you want to reduce overdue payments without having to remember each follow-up yourself. After that, configure the reminder timing. You can choose when the reminders should go out, such as before the invoice due date or after it has passed. Think about what works best for your business. A reminder before the due date can help customers pay on time, while a reminder after the due date can prompt action on overdue balances. You can also customize the reminder message if you want. Edit the subject line and email message so the tone matches your business style. Keep the message clear, polite, and professional so customers immediately understand that the invoice is due or overdue. A simple message usually works best. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save, and then click Done. That confirms your changes and activates the reminder setup. From this point forward, when you create and send invoices, any invoice that matches your reminder settings will automatically trigger payment reminder emails. That means less manual follow-up and a more streamlined billing process. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic payment reminders in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.